London headquarters. I'm here on behalf of the team to thank you for your continued support and to apologise for the delay which we're announcing today. Overall, the mass production of the switch kit is going fantastically well. Everyone has been working diligently to deliver a very high quality product. Unfortunately, our original estimated delivery date of April is delayed. We are still on track to get you cycling this summer. I'm so proud of the product that you have helped us build. So a big thank you from me, and over to Dimitro and Oliver in China with some more information.
Hi guys, I'm out here at the controller factory near Nanjing in China. Behind me you can see the guys on the production line wiring up the controllers, ready to go into the power pack soon. I've been pretty busy getting everything ready and moving ahead production, but next week I'm going to be spending some time putting together a little bit more detail in a video to give you an insight into everything we've been doing out here to get the product ready to sell.
Hey everyone, Dimitro here. I'm currently with our plastic supplier in Shenzhen, China. This is where all the custom quick connect brackets are going to be manufactured and put together. The CNC machines behind me have been making the tooling for each individual plastic part, and just downstairs is the injection molding room, which is where all the parts will be mass produced. Ollie and I have been working really hard to make sure that production's been going smoothly, and next week we're going to put together a detailed video so you guys can understand just how it's all coming together. Thank you so much for all your support. We really couldn't have done it without you.
Hi, I'm Karis. I'm Head of Customer Support and I'm here to help. So, since the campaign ended, I have been finalising your orders to ensure that each and every one is correct. If you have any questions, please do contact me at hello@switchbike.com. I'm also aware that some of you have been asking for more regular updates. I will be making this happen because we do feel that it's very important here at Switch. Thank you for making the switch, and thanks for watching this video.